Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the custom high-low indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us display a series of support and resistance levels on the chart that correspond to different time frames. It also issues alerts when the price hits these levels. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period for high-low.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Which is applied to all time frames. Now with this parameter set to 20, it means that in each time frame, it considers the past 20 candles. It takes the highest and lowest prices within these candles as the high-low for that time frame and displays them on the chart with lines. The next option is the font size, which allows us to set the font size for the phrases displayed here on the chart. Then we have a series of settings for all time frames that are common across all time frames. For example, the first option is whether to display the high value of that time frame or not. If it's true, it will display, and if it's false, it won't. I say this for the example, and it's exactly the same for the others as well. The next option is the color used to display the lines of that time frame. The following option is the style or mode of the lines used to display that time frame, and the last option is the width of the lines used to display the lines of that time frame. These were for M1, and for M5, M15, M3, H1, H4, daily, weekly, and monthly, it's exactly the same. Very neatly, and they come together. We have 4 options, and after these we have the alert settings, where the first option indicates whether the alert should be issued or not. The next option is for the alert to also be issued audibly. The following option. When this option is set to true, is the file that will be played for us in the alert. The last option is whether the alert should also be sent to our email inbox or not. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. The settings are exactly the same as the MT5 version settings. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.